Hello, and welcome to the very last day of me building an iOS app that is hopefully working as a messenger. Hmm. I need to turn on voice isolation. It is turned on. Why can you still hear me coughing? I don't know. I feel very hype about this because I'm finally gonna be done. Because I have a full day of nothing going on today. Um, Even tomorrow I have nothing going on, so I could stream until 3 a.m. in the morning. I don't fucking care. This is gonna be one continuous stream with everything that we need to finally finish this project. I found a banger playlist for Nintendo music that I'm just gonna listen to on repeat now. And I haven't published the VOD for yesterday yet, so I'm just quickly gonna do that. And I think that's all the VODs, if I remember correctly. Ah, man, I hate the fact that I can't export the VODs to my normal YouTube channel because it's one of those channels that predates Google acquiring YouTube. And because of it, wait, for day 6, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 VODs. One, two. And how many do I have on Twitch? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Sounds good. Um, I wonder. Never mind. I will just go ahead and publish the VOD now. Okay. So here's the game plan. Feels weird to say that now that Ryan Trahan's miniseries is over. Um, I want to finish. I want to build one thing, which is completely unnecessary, but I want to build it regardless. And that thing I can show you on my real phone in just a sec. I haven't set up anything today. I haven't started the dev server. I haven't started ngrok, which is going to be HTTP. I've had ngrok open for TCP because I wanted to have a Redis server open to the internet so that I could use Redmin, the Redis admin interface, to connect to it because it doesn't support localhost because it's running in the browser. And I think they're doing the connection server side or something. Anyway. So, let's go ahead. Oh, it's not starting Docker. What's happening? Is it starting Docker? How peculiar. I've also been building a side project with web technologies built on Express. I'm trying this thing where I'm not using any database for it. I'm just using Redis to store everything, and I think it's working on so far because the nature of the project is that everything is ephemeral. I made it open source actually, so that one you can take a look at the source code right now. Once I figured out why the heck my Docker is not starting. What? Wait, what? Okay. What is this one for? Kind of fucked. You can't open Docker. Docker is broken. Uh, I think I have to find the Docker process and kill it manually, which is extremely annoying. Man, Docker on the Mac is so badly written. I mean, for real, for real. I guess I could add to my script a killing of Docker if it's running but not working. You know what I mean? Do I have to reinstall Docker now? Let's Google force quit Docker Mac. Kill all Docker. It's not running. But then why can't I launch it? I think I need to reinstall Docker. Oh my god. What a great way to start the day. Yep. Yeah, it's not working. I'm gonna download it. Fuck you, Docker. Like, honestly. Well, we'll make it work. We'll make it work. It's not gonna take too much time to fix this. Then again, kind of low on disk space. So I could definitely use. I could definitely go without this. Running content, I'm sure. Dude, it's not even downloading. Oh, never mind. It just doesn't have a progress bar for some reason. And that was pretty fast for a 2 GB download. Holy cow. Okay. We have Docker installed now. And hopefully I can launch it. Fingers crossed. What the fuck? Docker is not launching it. Oh my god. I'll have to delete all the files manually. Here we go. Okay, now it's working. I just deleted all of my Docker files, like literally all of them. I mean, this is probably on me. I did delete, what's my role? I'm a mother for hobby projects. Okay, perfect. Does Docker work now? Okay. /dev. Wow, didn't expect this issue. So here's why. I think it's my fault. I did a backup of my phone locally to my Mac, and in order to do that, I had to clear some disk space because my phone has 100 gigabytes of storage used, and in order to back it up, I had to free 50 gigabytes of space. So I just went ahead and deleted a lot of developer cache assets. And I guess that's where Docker stores not just images, but also some files that are required to run according to what's in the preferences. So, all that being said, it's fixed now. It might also cause some issues with my Xcode. Sometimes I would just delete the entire Xcode library folder in order to save space, but that also deletes your keyboard mappings. I'm hoping that's not what happened here, and I'm able to still use my custom keyboard layout. I think it worked, because Command P is normally not open quickly, and I can still duplicate a file down. Okay, whew, yeah, we're good. Okay, after all this, finally now, showing to you the issue that I want to work on today. I guess fuck doing it on my phone, I'm just gonna start sharing the screen, and then you can see it on the simulator. Wowie, that was fun. It does consider the profile view, and you'll see in a minute what's going on. Maybe you remember if you watched the VOD for yesterday, or for day 6, that I added a custom animation to go from home screen to profile view and back. But, oh no, this is not what I want. I want you to put here. But it does result in the easy navigation stack gesture recognizer to not working. So I guess I can already start coding this. What I want to do is go to our home view. I mean, first of all, this thing needs to have a ignore safe area. It was like an issue. I didn't want to do this. Can I still delete you? Yeah. Yeah, we're starting completely from scratch because new ngrok endpoint, because the cache has been cleared and all devices have been deleted. That is correct. So all the permission access has to be done again. I don't know how to code anymore. It's been a minute. Okay, we got you, and now we should see the infinite spinner of death disappear. Great. So what I'm trying to fix is the fact that if you swipe back here, nothing happens. Like you can see, I'm clicking the mouse, I'm dragging it to the side, nothing happens. If I do it in the chat though, okay. I can drag it back very smoothly like this, so there's a transition for it. And it would be kind of a shame if our nice animation results in a worse UX. So. Also, I kind of want to try something. Which is removing the brutal shadow from the form label. convenience method, setting the foreground color to black. I think this is gonna look better, honestly. It's a little much with the brutal shadow on this one. Yeah, this looks a lot better. A lot better. Okay, nice. Cool, so let's go ahead and try adding a gesture recognizer to the background. I'm not sure if this is gonna work, but we can try. So the home view has a gesture drag gesture recognizer, the minimum distance of, well, let's just not mess with it. And then on changed, we add another add offset. Add offset is equal to translation width. Can I give it a minimum distance per axis? Because I don't really want to do this. Can I do simultaneous gesture? Let's see what happens now. So this still works, which is good. This also still works, which is good. Well, can we actually register any dragging, or does the scroll view just completely mess with it? Yeah, this doesn't work. Add. Okay, I wanna ask ChatGPT about this because I feel like this should be possible, and I feel like somebody has done this before. I've tried to do this before, but I can't remember how I did it. I want to add a gesture. I guess I can show you what I'm talking about. To my SwiftUI scroll view that lets me swipe the entire view to the left. I add gesture recognizer to it with dot gesture. This is the story. How do I do this? Yeah, so I'm extremely sure that this is not going to work. I mean, we can check what happens if we put the scroll view in the Z stack and then add a color dot clear dot gesture recognizer drag gesture. No coordinate space. Who cares? Unchanged. Console. No, not good. Oh, come on. You can do it. This, I'm gonna bet all my money on this, that this is not gonna work. Yeah, of course not. I mean, what the fuck are you thinking? Wait, does it have to be on top? No, this is the exact right way. Well, we could do this. rectangle. Let's see, let's see. Oh, it is working. Damn! I guess I learned something today. Hmm. Okay. So we gave the profile view two new properties, which is change offset of type CG float to void. Can you see I haven't typed in a while? Okay. Then we have end drag, which is just here we do change offset of station width, and on ended we do end drag. That's really good to know. I do have a lot of like 001 transparency things that I should probably replace with this then, because that's way nicer. Yeah, this is not necessary either. Wait, what are we doing here, or the progress part? Yeah, let's just check if that still works. Oh yeah, we have to go to the home view and give this one change offset. And drag int. Consecutive statements online. Is this not how that works? Extra trailing closure pass and call. See, why does this work, but this doesn't? No? I can pass two trailing closures to this. Ah, now it works. Okay, okay. Right. So we remove this one. You just put this on one line, that's fine. Why do I feel like there should be a space here? I don't know. I don't think there should be a space there. And this one said the add offset to $0. And then here we do offset to 0. Anonymous closure arguments, yes, that is very true. Does not have. Oh my god, what happened to this? To this call? It got completely mangled up. Okay, so now I should be able to swipe this one to the right, but instead it just freezes the app, which is fun. What if we wrap this in a task? I don't think that's gonna fix anything, for the record. Oh, by the way, I do want to check though if... Oh, I don't have video file. How do I get a video file? We'll figure that out later. Oh. Wait, it's like way too much. Like it just translated the entire thing. So maybe width isn't correct, but axis has to be the value that we send. Okay, this is getting ridiculous. We should put this in a new variable called scroll. It's on new, and then we set this to x. Translation. Dude, what is happening? It's the total translation from the start of the drag gesture to the current end of the drag gesture. You know what it is? We need to give this one... Okay, wait, is it at least going in the right direction? Like if I move this one pixel, no, it's not going to in the right direction. It should be a plus, not a minus. Okay, so that's something we figured out. And then next up, we do want to give this one... We want to give this one a... We gotta do something different. Let's do main offset CG float. And we probably want to do that in the parameter list up here. I guess we can just call it offset. So this should be up here. It's just called offset. And we only offset the scroll. Let's see if this works. What? It's not beautiful code, but it should work. And if it does work, then we can always... Oh, it doesn't. Never mind. Maybe we just remove this one, then it would be even less ugly code. Yeah, okay. Now I can't drag it anymore. I don't particularly like this. Okay, I think we have to do something like this, where we add them manually together in the profile view. So we have offset, add offset, and then, oops, that's not the right button. And then we do add it here. Well, I guess we could just do this. I don't want to waste any more time on this. It's only been like half an hour. Oh, great point. Nice. It works. And then we just add an arbitrary threshold. If at offset smaller than minus 100, show profile equals false. What is the add offset? Oh, I guess it's greater than plus 100. Why do I keep thinking it's negative? That's not how this works. Okay. I guess we do want to. Does this happen with animation? Probably. Okay. There we go. We did it. Whoop. You can smoothly go back between them. And you can smoothly go back here. I still need to check the progress bar swiping, but that's fine. Nice. I think that's great progress. Let me quickly check what repository I have open. And then we can commit this. Add back gestures repos. Okay. Nice. Love it. Okay. Is 100 enough? Is it too much? Feels about right. Yeah, feels right. Okay. Next up on our infinite list of tasks, on my remarkable tablet, which is going to take ages to connect back up to my computer. That's fine. Okay. Stop video direction when player close. System task queue, profile changes. Oh, profile changes we did. How about... Wait, how much memory do I have? How much battery do I have on my tablet? It's enough. So, what I think I'm gonna do is try to link this up with my remarkable desktop and see if I'm able to start a screen sharing session. And it's not working. I think we figured out the fix last time, so I stop the session. I draw something. We close it. it syncs it. I open it again, start a screen share. I accept it. The fix is not working anymore. Oh, that's great. Let me maybe restart the Remarkable app. No, it's not working. Maybe it just takes a couple of tries. It is correctly linking the file, I believe. Wait, is it? I'll draw a line here. Does it appear? It does. And then if I delete it again. It disappears. Okay. So they are in sync, that's for sure. And then we start a new screen sharing session. It's a little infuriating that this tech is so amazing, but it only works like 40% of the time. That is indeed very annoying. Maybe I have to open the document before I start the screen share. Nope, that's not it. Not even getting the invite anymore. So that's great. I give up. We will not have real-time sharing today, but that's okay. And now, let's take a look at our list of things. So, this one, I think I'm going to do first, where we increase the length of the recording for a reaction, if it's a video reaction, to a video that's longer than 10 seconds. And then next up, I want to do user search, because that's sort of a bigger one. Then we can do a small one again, big one, small one, big one. And, you know, I think this means 11.5 minus 2 because we already did the profile changes. And then we can see if we're done by not enough hours from now, which would be 10 p.m. It is going to be a long one. And my hair looks like shit today, which is great. Okay, let's get it. And let's figure out where our recorder state is getting the duration from. We call it in here and in here. Now, how do we get the duration? I guess video player has a callback parameter on tab, yes. And we could potentially get the duration from it. So we have let URL, we have var get duration, which is a callback, which gets a double because it's in seconds. And this is an optional parameter. Item dot duration dot seconds. So here we have var state bar duration is a double question mark, and we do set, oh, that's not what I wanted, that's what I wanted, the duration to be 0. And onTap now gets a double question mark parameter, which is the duration of the current video. And then we go back to the message bubble and set the duration. The duration is now equal to duration or 10 seconds. We could make it a little bit easier to change the default and just say 10 right here. We don't. Yeah. Done. That was an easy one. It was not 10 minutes, that was like 10 seconds. Which is good, we're making up some time. So unfortunately, I'll have to do this non-synchronously where I draw and then I open it up, but now you can see we did this one. Okay, next up, user search. Now, I don't remember if I've ever built a search with Django before. But I'm sure other people have. Unaccent iContains. I don't want to do document search. If you're using Postgres, Django provides a selection of database-specific tools to allow you to leverage more complex querying options. Other databases have different selections of tools, possibly via plugins or user-defined functions. Django doesn't include any support for them at this time. We'll use some examples for Postgres. Well, if there was any doubt that Postgres is vastly superior to anything else, here we have the answer. So we check for broad. I guess usernames are always lower, right? And we don't even have an accent or usernames either, but hey, I think the triagram is kind of neat. So let's write a new user search view, which is authenticated. It has a get, oops, nope. It has a search is equal to request.get search for something which is never going to be in a username, and then if settings.debug, am I importing settings? Probably, right? From Django.conf import settings. Wait, why is my auto completion not working? Okay, now it's working. If settings.debug. Okay. So users is user.objects. If settings debug, then query is users.filter. user ID contains, I think is the right. Oh, it is. Yes. Dot lower search. Else query is this whole thing. User ID dot an X and lower program similar is equal to search. And then we do want to remove all the ones that we currently have a conversation with. So let's take a look at all the Convo objects filters that we've done. My combos is all the non-annotated Convo objects that has a member filter matching request.user.pk. Oh, come on, combos is a word. These added to the workspace setting. Okay. And then all Convo users is the set of Convo.members.all member.all or Convo in my Convo. Yes? Maybe? Yes. Maybe. How about we just print all Convo users for now? We go to our URL. We add a new user search. We go to, nope, we don't open our settings. And go to localhost 8000/user search. Empty. Query set. Doesn't sound good to me. That's right. So we gotta do I always forget how to do the Django flatten iterator syntax. It's like for A in B for A and B for B and C, something like that. Flattened nested list iterator in Python. No? Oh man. It's not iterator, it's like for in... I thought that's like iterator syntax or something. ChatGPT, help me out. I have a list with list. L is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Write a Python iterator that returns a new list that's flattened in a file. Use I for I and L syntax. Item for sublist in L for item in sublist. Item for sublist in L for item in sublist. See, this is like so backwards. I will never remember this. This is like the worst Python syntax of all time. So what we want is user or users in my convos for user in users. I'm dying. Okay. Wait. Give me this one. Right. So the item is the user. And then for users, well, for convo in my convos, for user in convo.member.all. Jesus, if this works, I'm gonna be very surprised. It doesn't crash at least, but it's correct syntax. Nice, it's working. Wow. Okay. Well, that's okay, Tom. For combo in my combos for user in, yeah, I will never get this. Okay. Anyway, filter and then query is equal to query dot exclude EK in user.pk for user in all content. I hope this works, but I do acknowledge that this is a very long list, and I'm not fully sure if there's a better way to do this. It could be a very long list, but it's never going to be like millions of people that you're talking to. It's more like thousands. And it's not like the search is a super frequent operation. I guess we never have to store the whole user. Let's go with PK here, and then we just do this. I do wonder if it's an issue that we're excluding a set, but it doesn't seem to be the case. Okay. We say search is equal to Bob. There's no Bob. Is there a Nick? There's probably no Nick that I'm not talking to. A. Well, that's not very confidence inspired. Does everybody have a combo with admin? That's certainly not the case. So, casual raptor should be returned if we're searching for A? Oh, I'm just returning. Oh, yeah. I'm an idiot. Okay. So we want to return user serializer for users many equals two. And instead of users, we actually want to query. List serializer is not serializable. And again, I hate it. Nice. So we should get back nothing if we don't give a search parameter, but if we do add an A, then we get all the users that have an A in their username that we haven't talked to yet. That's great. Now we can add a new plus button down here. See, if I open a search and it opens in a new page, and then in the search, I open the chat, how does it bode for the navigation stack? Because now if I go back, I'll still be on the search, maybe? Makes it feel like the search should replace the latest view controller. What happens if we do this? Let's check. So our navigation view needs a new public function called push replace screen, and then we pop last and we append the screen. And this also needs to be in our navigation state. What do we call it? Navigation service, maybe? Yeah. So we just take U, and of course this has a parameter to it, which we give to the screen. Yes! Nice, and now I can just easily test this by going to our home view, and the profile button well, I guess we can go to the top bar and remove this for a moment and do a navigation service dot replace and just give it like a home view. Oh. Actually, I think we want to do this in combo, like in our compose field, because that's when we actually have something on the navigation stack that we want to replace. I mean, it works. It's not amazing. It could be smoother. Like, if it could go to the right instead and then just secretly remove the thing in the middle. Like, what happens if we, instead of doing it this way around, do it this way around, where we, oh, or even better, no, I don't think we can do that. Remove at path dot count minus 2. Yeah, it's the exact same animation. Okay, I don't care enough to change it right now, so we can leave it like this. Let's go back to the compose field and remove the debug message that we just created and start adding the search. So the search is probably going to be a very easy view with a back button and a text input field. Oh, I did realize something, which is that our time ago string is not really working. Or did I already fix that? Because if minutes is smaller than 50, then we return hours. But we do want to add 10 minutes here, I think. Let's just test this in the background, because I have a feeling that there's a couple of edge cases that I haven't thought about. Like 51 minutes previously returned 0 hours, which is not great. Well, let's do date interval now is minus 60 times 50. And this should give us 1 hour ago now. Even though it's only... Oh? What the frick? Oh. Yeah, that's not how math works. It's a good thing we tested it. I mean, that would have been a nightmare. Yeah, 1 hour ago. Okay. And then something like times 60 times 23. What happens here? 0 days ago. Same thing. Oh my god. I'm terrible at these things. I guess what we could do is just use the minutes here. And then we do use the hours here. And if it's 21, we add... No, if it's 22, then we add 2. Right? 51 means we add 9. And this means we add 2. And then we just take days here. Yeah, that should be good. Okay, so let's test a couple of edge cases, right? So we have 50 minutes, we have 51 minutes, we have 52 minutes, then we have 23 hours, and we have 6 days, 7 and 8. Let's test all of these. We got 50 minutes, we got 1 hour, we got 1 day, we got 6 days, 1 week. If months smaller than 1, then we return. Yeah. So the only edge case we might still have is 365. Because 12 months. What about 364? This is probably 0 years, right? Yeah. I knew it. What's 12 times 30? 360. So we add. So we test 359, 360, 361, and maybe like a 359 points. And all of these should either be 11 months or 1 year. Nice. Okay. Perfect. Yeah. This is good. Let's copy this into our service. Crazy that I didn't test this before, because this exact issue has happened to me before, where it's staying 0 of the next unit instead of the number of the previous unit. So what are we giving for free? We're giving free 9 minutes, 2 hours, and 5 days. Yep, that's perfect. Cool. What's next? I think what's next is implementing a UI for search. So the way I envision this is that we go to the home view. We have a profile button here. Back label. No. Yes. And this thing body, compose, up bar, overlay, profile, bar profile is new, and then we do overlay, new chat. New chat is a button. It's the wrong clipboard. That's the right clipboard. And here we take the plus. Oh, come on, why is the plus all the way at the end? Plus. It's just called, I could have known this. We make it maybe a tiny bit smaller. So we do like a 0.8. And we do alignment it to bottom rail, and we give it a padding. Too small. Too much in the corner. What does it look like on a real phone? I should have been charging my phone this entire time. I have not been charging my phone this entire time. this. I just have to respond to a text real quick. Okay, let's turn on Don't Disturb. Let's send this guy $15.78. Okay, 15. Let's not do 15.78. Nice. And movies got so expensive. Okay. Let's start quick time so that I can screen and see how the button feels. Wait, what happens if I click it? Of profile.toggle. Maybe not. Let's hope it doesn't have to download the mobile device support for my phone again. Oh no! Ugh, I knew it. I also love that you can't use Xcode while this is happening, because of course you can't. Oh, it's already launching. Well, at least it was quick. So how does this button feel? Oh, it's a little small. I think we can make it bigger. Let's make it size 50 and maybe increase the padding here slightly. It feels good. I like that one. Yep. Nice. Okay. Just playing around with the dragging stuff. I guess you can break it on purpose if you do like the right angle. Yeah. See, now it's like a little offset because one of my interactions has cancelled the on end of the other one. This is a known issue. For me, I mean, probably other people have figured it out, but I haven't figured it out. Anyway, let's get back to building the search. New screen called user search. Import SwiftUI. Extract user search. Screen. Some view. Body. V-stack. Scroll view. Results. Input bar. Background. Color.bandline.ignore safe area. Bar input bar. On view. We go to compose, fields, and seal this. We turn it into a H stack because I do want to add the delete button, which we could just copy from here. Button, that's state var Search string. Let's just call it search. Just equal to empty string. Text field. And for, let's say, Nick. Or let's say the parent. What is the handle of like somebody famous? Ariana Grande IG. At Ariana. One thing I could do is turn this one into an H stack and just do label. Have we considered this? That's really good. Man, it's getting hot in here. I need to open the door a little bit. Ooh. And maybe I could even steal Muffy's cat. That's a good idea. Yes, please. Oh, is he USB for? Jesus Christ. I don't think. Oh, here's a power strip with USB in it. What do I do? Oh, Jesus Christ. Ugh. Yeah, I got it. Ugh. And acquired. Oh my god, there's a USB right here. Okay, let's put this back where it belongs. And let's plug in this fan right here. It can be very strong with USB, right? Maybe it's just not working in the first place. Oh, one of the USB ports is broken. Oh. Not nothing. Ooh. Yeah. That's good. Okay. Search equals, and this is going to be times. I think we're going to do size 20 maybe, and then this is probably times 4.8, I would estimate. Or open 6 if this is open 54. Results is for now just a lazy VStack of text and let's go to our navigation view, add a new case, which is search. Case left. Nope. I want case search. User search string. Computer property must have been explicit type. Yes, that is correct. Now, our home view button should actually do navigation service. Navigation service dot go to search. Oh, and we haven't added. Why do I do this on my physical device? I should just do it on this. Test. Yeah, that works. So think we do want to do it on change of. Wait, why is this a double H stack? Oh, because there's padding of the H stack. On change of search. Search is equal to $0, lowercase, replacement currencies off. I guess we can copy the profile logic. Just call it when we do want to rebound something. We could write a new method to just debounce anything. I'm gonna do that. Okay. Debounce Swift and from debounce takes a method like this. It takes a method should be the trailing closure. So it should take a double time seconds double, which is equal to 1 by default, and then we have a binding of I'm so sorry again. Okay. Task. Oof. Void. Never binding. That's great. That works. Oof. Imports. Task, not the question. Yeah. Task of ref value is equal to that. And then here we just call the header placeholder. Okay, let's go back to profile view. Let's just call it a new chain. And remove all of this logic. No. The editing functionality of export is so bad. And then we just do a debounce with username change task, and then we call username change, right? How do we make this async? With this? Async must be cool. So now right. we write a new service called cultural string. And this will work. Nice. Search is equal to filter username search. And then we debounce func to search, async, term. We have a do search task, which is a type task, question mark, void. I think we just reached the end of the YouTube playlist. Oh, yes. Nintendo music, that's very Nintendo part 2. There we go. This is indeed a state bar. What? Debounds to search task. Await to search. And just give it this as the method. I think this makes it easier. I think at escaping goes right here. And this parameter list is getting kind of long. And then I do want to do the same for right here. This is more concise. Nice. Okay, and then in the search view, search screen, I call it. I think this one needs a little tweakings. I mean, yeah, first of all, we do search for something. Ooh, and we don't want to add the add. Ooh, yes. I think we gotta do it like this. And then we go to the profile view and add it back in. Nice. Well, I guess we could kind of do it like this. Okay, anyway, what do we do to the add? I think we want to give it some negative padding to the right or something. Because this doesn't look right. User search. Well, I guess we kind of could just do a preview for this. If debug and start user search green preview. Nothing there. There's a naming convention to end the underscore there, which is a preview provider. It has previews. We have the user search green. Gimme. My coffee's empty. That's sad. I could get a hot latte, I think, for today. Ah, that's right. So we want to go to Scene App. No, we want to go to Content View. Yes. And do all of this. Ignore, 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 ignore. Wow. Swift UI is a very mature framework without any bugs. Okay, Now this looks better. I do kind of want to set the search to something which is non-empty. I just don't know if I can just go ahead and put the value. I can. Nice. Okay, so how do we line these two up? Simple. Padding, leading, -4. Adding top, -4. Adding bottom 4. 1. 5. 6. Leading 4. 2. 3. Opacity on 6. Nice. That's looking good. So now I should see if I start typing Ariana Grande. I guess one thing we can do to hack the results is just to get a feeling for the debounce frequency, and just say results x is equal to search. We have been sitting here for an hour and 30 minutes. Ooh, what happened here? That's not good. What the heck? Maybe we should do alien here. What happened here? Has it always been like this? Oh, I know what it is. It's because of the times button. Wait, what happened to the times button? Is it not times? Was it called multiply? I'm so sorry, High Majesty. We do want to add horizontal adding to this. Yeah, I think this is more like a 2. This is more like a 3, 5. So, can we talk about the fact that wait. I removed this, which was previously here. Well, I guess we just have both now. And I do think we want to add a back button. Is this so crazy to have a back label here? It's really big though. I think we should have a times t float equals 1.0. I guess we can just call it 1. And then we give it a times. Because I'm kind of feeling like doing things here, which is probably still plenty big. there goes the opportunity to have 0.8, have 0.6 shadow. Well, that's good. I like this. Okay. I think it's called navigation service.pop. Nice. Let's see it in action. Kind of feels like it's a little close to the notch, no? Do we want to give it some vertical padding as well? Do I want to get more coffee? Ugh. Questions over questions. Yeah, we're definitely going to give it some vertical padding. Is 12 enough? Not really. Is 16 enough? Kind of. Okay, well, I'm thinking we just do state var users or cloud users, because I don't think that we need this anywhere other than this single screen. I do think we kind of want to cap it and say like, can I do this? I don't think I can do this. Limit. Is there not a limit? Sure, there's a limit. Like 100 is funny. Okay. State var users is equal to into array. And then we do users is equal to API.search users with search as the search string. And then we do a users for each users text user dot first name. No. And adding AP. Okay, well, this is definitely going to be number 8. And then we do want to add a method, which is search users for search string. Just say sync and we return a list of users. And then we await rest of post. No, it's a get actually. To the URL. I have absolutely no idea what I called the URL. It is called user search. And then, of course, we have the search parameter equal to search string. And then we do empty by default, and then we return JSON.json array dot compact map user from JSON. Yeah. Oh. Mm-hmm. I don't think it's true what you're saying there. Doesn't conform to identifiable? Well, it should conform to identifiable. Jesus Christ. I think our search is done. I mean, it's not done, but like, it's almost done. The unsupported URL. Uh-huh. What? The search is never triggered. I have to. What? idiot. See, this is why I want to wrap the rest.get into a convenience thing. No results? Really? That's surprising. There's no attribute limit, huh? Well, we have to do it the old way then. On the pioneers used to do it. Bam! There we have it. Snake. This spelled with a C. Yeah, nice. Okay. Ah, that's great, dude. Always feels good to